We all know how important a good morning routine is, right? Setting the tone for your day, getting organized, energized. But did you know something as simple as how you hydrate can make a huge difference? Downing a glass of water first thing in the morning can unlock a cascade of health benefits. We're talking boosting your metabolism, giving your skin that healthy glow, and even sharpening your mind. You ready to upgrade your day? Let's do it. Alright, so you wake up a little groggy, maybe hit snooze a couple of times, totally normal. But while you were catching those extra Z's, your metabolism was basically on standby. Drinking water is like flipping that switch. It kickstarts your metabolism, helping your body efficiently burn calories throughout the day. Add a glass of water to your morning routine and you're setting yourself up for a more energized and productive day. Think about it. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, right? Part of that process is flushing out toxins that naturally build up over the day. Drinking water in the morning is like giving your body's internal cleaning crew a high five. Water acts as a natural diuretic, helping your kidneys flush out waste products more effectively. Starting your day by flushing out those toxins is like hitting the reset button on your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Ever notice how your skin can look a little dull first thing in the morning? Yeah, that's dehydration. Drinking water in the morning helps to replenish your skin cells, giving you that healthy, dewy glow we all strive for. Water helps to flush out toxins that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. The result? A brighter, healthier complexion. Feeling sluggish even after a full night's sleep? Believe it or not, dehydration could be the culprit. Even mild dehydration can drain your energy levels, leaving you feeling tired and unmotivated. Think of water as nature's energy drink. It helps to transport nutrients and oxygen to your cells, giving you that much-needed boost to power through your morning. A simple glass of water is all you need to kickstart your day and feel energized and focused. We've all been there, that mid-morning brain fog that makes it feel like you're wading through mud. Dehydration can actually shrink your brain tissue, leading to impaired cognitive function. Drinking water in the morning is like giving your brain a much-needed hydration boost, helping to improve focus, concentration, and overall cognitive performance. So, start your day by hydrating your brain and watch your mental clarity soar. Let's talk digestion, shall we? Starting your day with water can actually help keep things moving smoothly. Drinking water in the morning helps to activate your digestive system, prepping it for the day ahead. It helps to soften stool, making it easier to pass, and can even help to prevent constipation. So if you want to keep your digestive system happy and healthy, make sure you're starting your day with a glass of water. Now, I'm not saying that water is a magic weight loss potion, but it can definitely play a role in helping you reach your goals. Drinking water before a meal can help to increase feelings of fullness, which means you're less likely to overeat. Plus, water kickstarts your metabolism, which means you're burning more calories throughout the day. So, if you're looking to shed a few pounds, make sure you're staying hydrated throughout the day, especially first thing in the morning. Okay, nobody wants to deal with kidney stones, right? They're painful and can be a real hassle to treat. The good news is that staying hydrated, especially with water, is one of the best ways to prevent them. Drinking plenty of water helps to dilute your urine, making it less likely for those minerals to crystallize and form stones. So do your kidneys a favor and make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Want to stay healthy and fight off those pesky colds and flus? Drinking enough water is crucial for a strong immune system. Water helps to flush out toxins that can weaken your immune system, and it also helps to transport nutrients and oxygen to your cells, including those that fight off infection. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water to keep your immune system in tip-top shape. Ever notice how even mild dehydration can make you feel irritable and short-tempered? It's true. Dehydration can actually affect your mood. When you're dehydrated, your brain isn't functioning at its best, which can lead to mood swings, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. On the flip side, staying hydrated can actually boost your mood and improve your overall sense of well-being. So, next time you're feeling down, try reaching for a glass of water instead of that sugary snack. So there you have it. 10 amazing benefits of drinking water first thing in the morning. It's like the ultimate life hack. And the best part is, it's free and readily available. I challenge each and every one of you to start your day with a glass of water for the next week and see how you feel. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment below letting me know how you're feeling, and subscribe for more awesome health tips. Until next time, stay happy and hydrated.